This 2002 Keystone Montana Big Sky 3280RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, microwave, air conditioning, self-contained, stovetop burner, water heater, awning, oven, refrigerator, spare tire kit, TV, and 62 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2002 Keystone Montana Big Sky 3280RL is 9,807 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.